Hello Hooperinos, this is a tutorial for the pizza dust. I'm going to teach this from the legs and from the waist. So prereqs are leg hooping or waist hooping. I'm going to go to the left. I'm using a 30, it's pretty small. The bigger the hoop, more room you've got. Right hand goes behind as if I'm going to do a lift off, but I'm not. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hand, cup my fingers ever so slightly, or just let the hoop touch them, and as it does, I'm going to drag my hand straight up. Okay, so I'm not going forwards, I'm straight up. So I'm here, hand goes in, and straight up. From behind, hand goes in, straight up. If you point straight up, it will land straight down. And that is how you get into it. If it goes wrong, you can just kind of chase it a bit and do this. Yeah, so let's imagine I go wrong. Whee, it's gone over there. Just put your arms in, style it out. Okay, from the knees. Knee game needs to be strong. I'm going to bend over on my right side and I lean into the hoop and I put my fingers behind like so. So I'm not leant back like that. I just kind of lean in. Once I've got contact, because it's a small hoop, you're going to have to be quick and you're going to make sure that you don't let your arm come all the way around to the front. You're just going to lean back and then you're going to go straight up like so. So cup the fingers, make contact and whoosh, straight up. And it will work. Love to see what you do with this. I am taking requests for any tutorials that you might want, so please come at me and tag me in what you do. Until next time, bye bye.